embracing vulnerability. It takes vulnerability to do our own inner work, to talk with our partner, with our new date, with our friend, with our therapist, with our coach, to talk about the issues, to talk about the things that we are fear, to talk about the things that we are uncomfortable about, right? It takes vulnerability. And I could only wish you to meet someone who is also willing to be vulnerable, because vulnerability and the capacity to hold the other person through empathy and compassion is what is creating the safe space in relationship to evolve, to develop, to grow, and to expand. I will go to say that vulnerability is key to deepen not only the relationship, but the intimacy in the relationship, and to really strengthen the emotional bond between the people that are in this relationship. And this is the one that, again, especially grown adults, they've been through several relationships and marriages, they stop because they don't want to appear weak or unexperimented or whatever. Vulnerability is not a sign of weakness. Vulnerability is a sign of courage. And I will go even further to say not only courage, but it's a sign of showing the other person that I'm trusting them with this piece that I'm opening myself about. So then it's up to them to betray my trust or to hold me through my vulnerability, again, with empathy and compassion.